In order to add a Google Chrome extension, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to chrome.google.com/webstore, or you can simply Google it. The account that you're currently logged into is indicated in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You may change this to indicate a school or business account. Additionally, some schools and businesses have set up their own Chrome extension store. If you've signed in under your account, it will be located on the left-hand side of the screen where indicated. Now I'm going to scroll down to find the extension that I want to use. This time I'm going to select View All, and I'm going to look for the extension that I want to add. This time I'm going to add DocHub. I'm going to click on DocHub, Add to Chrome, Add Extension. I'm going to click off this message. I'm going to click the puzzle piece in order for my extension to appear in my toolbar. I'm going to find my extension and click on the pin. Now the extension will appear in my toolbar.